10 reasons why women always friendzone you, and how to escape it. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the friend zone, watching the woman you like talk about her crushes while you sit there, being the nice guy? It's frustrating, confusing, and feels like an endless cycle. You put in the effort, you listen to her problems, and you're always there when she needs support. Yet, she never sees you as anything more than a friend. The truth is, getting friend-zoned is not just bad luck. It happens for specific reasons. If you keep making the same mistakes, you'll keep ending up in the same situation. But once you understand where you're going wrong, you can break free and finally build attraction. Let's dive deep into the 10 biggest reasons why women always see you as just a friend, and how to change it. 1. Weak or unclear intentions. One of the biggest reasons men get friend-zoned is because they fail to make their intentions clear from the start. If you act like a friend, she will treat you like one. Many guys think they can slowly win a woman over by being there for her. But the problem is that she never even considers you as a romantic option. Women are not mind readers. If you don't show any signs of romantic interest, she assumes you're not interested in her that way. The longer you wait to make a move, the harder it becomes to change her perception of you. If you want to avoid the friend zone, you must show romantic interest early on, through body language, flirtation, and direct communication. 2. Being too nice without attraction. There's nothing wrong with being nice, but when nice is the only thing you bring to the table, it's not enough. Women are attracted to men who make them feel excited, intrigued, and emotionally engaged. If your kindness comes without confidence, flirtation, or masculine energy, you'll be seen as nothing more than a safe and dependable friend. Think about it. How many times have you heard a woman say, "I wish I could find a guy like you," while she dates someone who treats her completely differently? This happens because being nice alone doesn't create romantic attraction. It's a baseline expectation, not something that makes you stand out. 3. Lack of confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. If you're constantly seeking approval, doubting yourself, or afraid to express your feelings, women will sense it. Insecurity kills attraction faster than anything else. When you're confident, you make eye contact, you speak with certainty, and you take the lead in conversations. Women are drawn to men who know what they want and go after it. If you hesitate, overthink, or wait for permission, you're putting yourself in the friend zone before you even start. 4. No flirting or playful teasing. If your interactions with women feel like a job interview, polite, formal, and safe, you're not creating any excitement. Flirting and teasing are essential to building attraction. Playful teasing, inside jokes, and light-hearted banter create a sense of chemistry. Women don't fall for guys who just listen to their problems like a therapist. They fall for men who make them laugh, challenge them in a fun way, and bring energy into their lives. If you're always serious or overly accommodating, she won't feel any romantic spark. 5. You act like her therapist. Being a good listener is important, but there's a difference between being a supportive friend and turning into her personal therapist. If she constantly comes to you to talk about her problems with other guys, and you just sit there giving advice, you're not building attraction. You're reinforcing your role as the safe guy. Instead of being the person she unloads all her emotional baggage on, shift the dynamic. When she starts talking about another guy, don't engage deeply. Change the subject, tease her playfully, or redirect the conversation towards something more engaging. 6. You're too available. Women respect men who have their own lives, goals, and ambitions. If you're always available at her convenience, dropping everything to respond to her texts or canceling plans whenever she calls, you're signaling that you don't value your own time. Men who have options and confidence don't revolve their lives around one person. They have things going on: work, hobbies, social events, fitness, and personal growth. When a woman sees that you are independent and selective with your time, she views you as someone of higher value. 7. Lack of physical escalation. Attraction isn't just built through conversation, it's built through physical connection. If you never initiate any form of physical touch, you're keeping yourself locked in the friend zone. This doesn't mean being inappropriate or making unwanted advances. Small, natural gestures like a playful nudge, a touch on the arm, or holding eye contact a little longer can make a big difference. Women respond to body language more than words. If there's no physical connection, she won't see you in a romantic way. 8. She sees you as one of the girls. If you act more like her bestie than a potential partner, she'll start treating you like one of her girlfriends. This happens when you engage in too much gossip, overshare your emotions in a way that lacks masculine presence, or agree with everything she says without ever challenging her opinions. Women are attracted to polarity, the masculine-feminine dynamic. If you remove that contrast by behaving in an overly passive or emotional way, she won't feel any romantic tension. 9. No personal growth or mystery. If your entire world revolves around impressing one woman, she will sense it, and it's a huge turn-off. Women are naturally drawn to men who are ambitious, passionate, and constantly improving themselves. If you don't have anything going on in your life outside of her, she won't see you as an exciting option. Have goals, work on your fitness, develop new skills, and build a life that naturally attracts people toward you. When a woman sees that you're independent and interesting, she'll be more curious about you. 10. You wait too long to make a move. The longer you wait to express romantic interest, the less likely she is to see you as a potential partner. Many guys think they need to build an emotional connection first, but this often backfires. Women categorize men quickly, either as potential partners or as just friends. If you don't create attraction early, you'll fall into the second category. Making a move doesn't mean confessing your love. It means showing confidence, flirting, creating tension, and taking the next step naturally. Final thoughts. If you've been stuck in the friend zone, it's not because you're unlucky. It's because of the patterns you've been following. The good news is, you can change these patterns starting today. Stop waiting for things to happen and start creating attraction from the beginning. Be clear with your intentions, embrace confidence, and don't be afraid to take risks. Women respect men who value themselves, and the moment you start acting like one, you'll stop getting friend-zoned for good. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.